A new study on drinking in America is creating dramatic headlines this morning about the effects of alcohol. The CDC says excessive drinking is responsible for 1 in 10 deaths among working-age adults. Dr. Holly Phillips is here with the findings. Good morning, Holly.
Good morning.
You're really pretty shocked by these numbers.
Yeah, I have to say, their numbers are really astounding. As much as I think about alcohol use and I see use and abuse in my practice, I would never have expected these numbers to be so high. When we think about it, it's 1 in 10 deaths in people in the prime of their lives, between the ages of 20 and 64. And on average, for people who die from alcohol-related injuries or diseases, it cuts 30 years off their lives.
What are some of the alcohol-related deaths that we're talking about here?
Well, you know, with this CDC report, they looked at sort of 2 different entities. One is heavy regular drinking, which is more than 2 drinks a day for men, more than 1 drink a day for women. That's when we see rates of heart disease, liver disease, cancers, including breast cancer. That's when we see those illnesses go up. There's another entity which is just binge drinking. People may not drink on a daily basis, but they might sit down and have more than 4 or 5 drinks at once. That's when we see car crashes and accidents.
And this is fascinating to me because you say heavy drinking is more than 1 drink a day for women and more than 2 drinks a day for men. I'm sure there are many people at home who say, that doesn't sound excessive to me.
No, not at all. And actually, that's, I think, what the biggest takeaway from a study like this is. Alcohol is so much a part of our lives, right? It's social, it's celebratory, it's at dinner time, that it's very easy to forget that it's a real drug that actually has real effects on our body. So again, 1 drink a day for women, 2 drinks a day for men. It's easy to have more than that, but now we're seeing what a big toll that can take on our health.
It's interesting. 4th largest cause of preventable deaths behind smoking, poor nutrition, and lack of activity. I was surprised it's 70% men we're talking about here.
Yeah, men are more likely to be heavy alcohol abusers, but women also can see those same effects with less alcohol on a daily basis, or even less alcohol in a binge drink. So it affects all of us, and it's about just being aware of this and knowing these numbers.
Dr. Holly, thank you so much.